Hello, fifth grade, and welcome back. I know, you just love these little snippets of information that are going to be oh so important to you. This is Plagiarism 101, or how to avoid getting in trouble with your teacher. Durr. All right. Last time I did one of these, I showed you how to create a new project. There's my new project. You should probably name it something better than new project. Can you just imagine if you had a whole screen full of new projects? You'd never know which one really was the new project. In any case, I'm going to click on my title, okay? Don't click over here. Don't click here. Well, you should click here. If that says anything other than starter, you're going to be in trouble. And not with me. You're just going to run into trouble. Okay? So make sure that this says starter. If it doesn't, click on it, change it to starter, right? Now I want to open up my project. So I'm going to click on the title. And that's going to take me to something called the dashboard. Okay? I don't need anything here. But I did need to tell the computer what project I wanted to work on. So now I can click on sources. All right? And just like when we created our new project, we need to maybe find the button that just might tell us how to create a new citation. Yeah, right there. Click on it. It's the green button. Now, we are going to do print today. And I always think that print is the easiest kind of source to cite because there's 3 different ways you can do it in our library. Websites and other things are just a little bit harder. Sometimes you have problems finding the information, but with print it's usually pretty straightforward. For example, the first way to do a book, you see how I clicked on book? Good. Is by using the ISBN. Now, the ISBN is a number that all books have, and it's not the library barcode. Oh, no, 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 no. It is the publisher's barcode down here at the bottom. It should say ISBN and have a number behind it. It might even have 2 ISBN numbers. Just pick one. It doesn't matter which one. And right next to where it says ISBN, in the box next to it, click in there so you can type. And you're going to put in the ISBN. This is the hardest part right here. Seriously. Making sure that you get all of the numbers right. And no, you don't need the spaces, okay? Or the little dashes. You just need the numbers. That's much better. So now I'm going to click search. And there it is. But I want you to notice, you might get 3 or 4 hits, not just one, like this one is. So, because computers are stupid, you need to tell it which book you want. Even if there's only one. Don't click WorldCat. Just click on the author's name. That's what I do. And you see, it turns a beautiful blue color. And then I need to import it, so I'm going to click again. Oh, yeah, I'll tell you what. My poor finger, all this clicking, it's making it tired. I hope it lasts. I'm going to click again. I need to click continue. Oh, here I go. Click. Oh, my poor finger. It's broken. But I have one more click. I need to save it. Can I do it? Click. Yeah, I can, as a matter of fact. And here it is. There's the book. And it only took, like maybe 5 clicks. So that's the lazy person's way. My way. My favorite way of adding a source. Now, create a new citation, and let's just pretend that this book didn't show up. You got a big fat goose egg when you were looking for this book, okay? Well, that means that now I need to look at the title page Da, 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 da. And the verso. So you might be wondering what the verso is. It is the opposite side of the title page. Title page, verso. Okay. Now the title page is going to have your author, your title, your city of publication, your publisher, and your verso is going to have the oh so important date it was published. So normally, sometimes you might need to look other places, but those are special cases, and you should show me the book and we'll figure it out together. In this case, I need to start with the role. I need to change that to author. And then they want a first name. Wonder why. Skip middle name. Usually they don't put that in. But we do need a last name. Skip the suffix. I don't care. Okay. But we do need the title of the book. Velociraptor. Jurassic Park. Who doesn't like a good munching? Anyway. Publisher is Children's Press, and I'm finding that at the bottom of the title page. And I've also got a ton of cities, okay? City of publication. I've got New York, Toronto, London, Auckland, Sydney, Mexico City, New Delhi, Hong Kong, and Danbury. Rule of thumb here is you always pick the city that's closest to you. So seeing as most of those cities are in other countries, we're going to go with New York. All right. And I need the year yet. So I'm going to flip to the verso. And it's 2007. That's it. That's all. All I have to do is, with my poor broken finger, click save, and I'm done. Now, seeing as I was actually working and not talking with my friends instead of looking for the author's name, that didn't really take me very long, did it? No, see, I'm all about working smarter so that I can get done faster and move on to other things that are more fun than this. So, you should probably do the same. Be lazy like me. All right, we're going to do one more citation with print. And this will only work if you have access to our school catalog. Now, at home, you have access to our school catalog. So I'm going to do a new citation. I'm still going to do print. I'm still going to do book. And I'm going to minimize this because I have another screen set up in the background. There it is. Okay. This is the catalog. And your catalog's going to have a lot of the same information that you're going to get in your book. If the ISBN doesn't work and you can't find what you need inside of the book, this is a great way to do a legal cheat. Okay, so I'm going to put in Velociraptor. Oh, did I spell it wrong? No, I didn't. So I'm going to click title. And there it is. There's my book. If I click on the title of this book, and I go down to the publication information, that's everything that I need. That's everything that I want. There's the city, there's the publisher, there's the year. I need the title, and I need the author's name. Boom, 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 boom. As a matter of fact, I can copy and paste stuff. So remember with the Chromebook, it's, can you see this? It's a 2-finger click on your pad, okay? Make sure that they're together. Don't do a peace sign or anything because the computer won't know what you're doing. They need to be together. Do a 2-finger click, and then you can copy. Do a 2-finger click, and paste. Same thing with the last name. I'm going to drag it across, holding down my mouse, two-finger click copy, two-finger click paste. This is one of the only times when copy and paste is actually a good thing to do. Like if you did a copy and paste in a report, that's plagiarism, that thing that we're trying not to do. In this case, it's not, because we're doing pieces of information. So I'm going to copy and paste Velociraptor. I'm going to copy and paste the city. You get the idea, right? I mean, do I really need to finish this? I probably should, just so that you can see everything when it's all done. But there's Children's Press, copy and paste, and the year. Oops, I missed the 7. I still missed the 7. Come on, 7! There we go. And paste. Save it. And now I have 3 different sources. 1, 2, 3. I mean, it's all the same source, but 3 different sources. Okay. There you go. That's how you do a book. 3 different ways to do a book. And none of them took me very much time. So if you have any questions, ask your neighbor, because I'm done. All right, I will see you next time. Bye.